Hi, this video will show you how to fix a freezer ice maker when it suddenly stops making ice. And I urge you to try this before calling any help because it's a very easy fix. So my fridge is about 18 years old with a traditional ice maker. The very first time it broke, I spent about $600 replacing the entire unit, but occasionally it stopped making ice. I realized that the actual unit it still works, but the problem occurs when the ice maker starts filling up the tray more water than it's necessary. So it is relatively easy to fix this problem. First you melt the old ice, then confirm motor works, then empty ice tray, cycle through empty, let the ice maker fill the tray on its own, then you'll start making ice again in no time. So you can start boiling water, which is the first step. Then you can pour it into a shallow pan, which you can use to pour it into the ice tray, as you don't have very much space to do this. By repeating this several times, you'll melt the old ice from the tray. And once the old ice cubes are melted and dislodged from the ice tray, you'll start to hear the motor moving again, as you can hear in the background. Once the ice is melted, the tray is still filled with too much water, so we have to remove this. To remove the water, I simply take a piece of paper towel uh, and soak up the water gradually by squeezing out the paper towel several times to fully empty out the tray. So now that the ice tray is completely empty, next step is to let the ice maker cycle through with an empty tray so that it can fill a proper amount of water on the next time. So when the ice maker fills the tray on its own, it's correctly filled with proper amount and it's not as much as before. After waiting for about 2 hours, my ice maker is starting to produce ice cubes again. So we just need to let it produce more ice by cycling through overnight to fill up your ice tray. After waiting overnight, my tray is full of ice cubes again. Until next time!